Hello students, welcome to computer class. How are you? Hope you would be fit and fine. So, today we have done our chapter 3 and today we are going to do worksheets from this chapter. So, we have read that there are different applications in Windows 8.1 and we have learned many features about it. So today we are going to learn how to uninstall the apps from the computer system, and then we are going to revise all the terms to learn, and let's recall, and then we'll do the worksheets. Now first of all, we'll see how to uninstall the app. Now when we switch on the computer system, we see a start screen, and in their start screen there is a button of apps view button at the bottom of the start screen. We click on it and we reaches to apps view window. So you can see this is the apps view window, and when we want to uninstall it, what we do, we select any of the application and right click on it. As we right click, so we'll see that a small window gets open. Small menu opens and there is an option of uninstall. We'll just click on uninstall and that particular application gets uninstalled from the computer system. But we should be very careful that we should not uninstall the important application which we require. So we should be carefully uninstall. If we really don't require that application, we have to uninstall only that one. So now this is the way to uninstall it. Now let's see. We have to recall the important points of the chapter. So first one is start screen helps to search for programs, application, files, and we can do it very quickly. Next, you can pin your favorite application on the start screen. And next, naming an application group helps to find any apps on the screen easily. We can name an application and we find it very easily on the screen. Apps are used to perform some specific task on the computer, such as there are many applications we have read earlier, like calculator app. It helps us in performing calculation. Calendar app, it allows to manage calendar event. One, we have done the practical of alarms app, and there are many other apps which are quite helpful and it does specific work or task on the computer system. OneDrive. Now, what is OneDrive? It is a free online storage service that requires a Microsoft account to store, sync, and share files on the web. Like if we have important files in our computer system and its size is quite big and it cannot be saved in our computer system, so we can save it in OneDrive. Its capacity is too big and it can save lot of file and it can be accessed from anywhere, from any computer. The only thing is we need a account. So this is the way we can use OneDrive. Next, you can set, edit, activate or deactivate, stop or delete computer alarms using the alarms app. We use alarm app to set the alarms and we can change it as per the requirement. Next is the calculator app. Calculator, you know, it is used for doing calculations, and we have read there are 3 modes in it, right? So one is we can do simple arithmetic calculations, scientific calculations, conversion of measurement units. So there were 3 modes: standard mode, scientific mode and conversion mode. So this is the recall of the chapter. Now let's see some important points, important terms which are used in this chapter, and students, you are going to write these terms to learn in your computer notebook. App. So what is an app? App is a piece of software designed to run properly on the mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Applications, we have seen many different applications. We have just now read about calculator app, about calendar app, about alarms app, and there are many other apps. OneDrive, we have just read it that it is a Microsoft's online storage service that provides 5 GB of online storage space for free to its users. So user can store around 5 GB of their work, their program, their files and the online storage service, that is OneDrive. Next is live tiles. We have read that in a start screen there are big rectangles. So that is a tile. So these tiles are big rectangular icons on the start screen which update automatically and display latest information using the internet. It gets updated time to time and it gives us latest information using the internet. Next is Windows Store. It is a platform that helps us to download apps to our computer or mobile device. Now you must have heard about the Play Store in the mobile phones. Similarly, it is a Windows Store which helps us to download different applications in our computer system or mobile devices. So these were the terms to learn and you have to write it in your computer notebook. Now let's move to the worksheets. This is the first worksheet and this worksheet you are going to do in the book itself. So we have to fill in the blanks. The first one is the dash display the live updates directly on start screen. It is the live tiles. Second, the dash app helps us to access to the desktop and work with the desktop programs, that is the desktop app. Next, Dash is Microsoft's online storage service that allows to store important files and folders on the web. OneDrive. Next, the Dash app helps to do mathematical calculations and conversion of measurement units, that is calculator. Fifth, you can click on the dash button to stop the alarm from ringing for a short duration of time. Snooze button. Last, you can dash an app to remove it from your computer, that is uninstall. Next, we have to tick the correct answer. Which option is used to pin apps to the start screen? What is the option? It is pin to start. Which live tile displays the top news headlines on the start screen? That is news. It is a news app. Third, we can right click and select name groups to name an app group on the start screen. True. That means we have to name a group by using the right click. Next, which app helps you to listen to the latest albums and songs? That is Music app. Last, which app will you click on to access websites and web pages on the internet? That is Internet Explorer. So this is the worksheet 2 and you have to do it in the book itself. Next is true or false. Now you can click on the add new alarm button to add more alarms in the alarms app. Yes, it is true. Next, the calculator app helps you to do mathematical and scientific calculations. True. The sentence is correct. Third, Windows 8.1 does not allow you to pin more than 10 apps to the start screen. False. We can fit more apps in the start screen. Fourth, Windows Store app allows you to download other apps to run on your computer. True. Windows Store helps us to download many apps. Fifth, you cannot remove any apps from your computer. False. We can remove it by using the uninstall feature. Sixth, OneDrive provides 5 GB of online storage space for free to Microsoft users. True. OneDrive provides 5 GB to store our files. Now this is worksheet 3 done. Now worksheet 4, we have to match the following. So as it is written over here, I have matched with the other side. So on the left side, apps are written, and on the right side, the uses of the apps are written. So we have to match with that. So calendar app, we are going to match with the D option, and it helps us to keep track of your future engagement. We use calendar to store some important work which we have to do in our future. Second is the mail app. Mail app is, it manages our emails which comes in our email account. That is A. Third, photos app, F. It displays photos stored on our computer and on OneDrive. Fourth, weather app. Weather app, it gives the information about the weather forecast. Fifth, games app. Games app, what does it do? It helps to play and download latest video games. It is C. And last, people app, E is the option. Allows you to add and manage our account, our contacts. That means whatever contacts we have saved, it just gets saved in the people app. So this is worksheet 4. Now next, worksheet 5. Here we have to answer the following questions in a word or in a few words. First is, which button do you click to go to apps view screen? Yes, it is apps view button. Second, which mouse action do you use to move tiles on the start screen? We use click and drag. First we will click the mouse button and we won't leave it. We'll just drag it and place wherever we want, and then we are going to release its button. Third, which app helps you to access to the internet? It is Internet Explorer. Fourth, which button will you click on to dismiss the alarm? It is simple, dismiss button. It cancels the alarm. Fifth, which folder contains the calculator app on the apps view screen? It is the tools folder which contain calculator app. Now this is the worksheet 5 done. Now students, this is your homework. You have to complete worksheet 1 to 5 in your computer book, and you have to write terms to learn in your notebook. So take care. Bye students.